Hello guys, my name is Tanzeel. Welcome to my channel. This is my tutorial on PHP for the beginners. In this video, I will cover topics like what is PHP, installing PHP, in which we will use exam server and Sublime text. After this, I will show you how to print anything in PHP, different ways to print the values, and how to use any HTML control in PHP. Now this is our exam control panel. If you do not have exam, then first download it. To download the exam server, just Google it and then click on the first link you got on Google. As I am using Windows, so I will download exam for Windows. My net connection is very slow, so please excuse me for that. After downloading exam, we will download a text editor. My text editor will be Sublime Text 3. Just go to Google and type Sublime Text 3 and download from the first link. You will get many options, but I will download for 64-bit Windows. You are welcome to download Sublime Text any version according to your system requirement. Now our first step is to run exam server and start services like Apache and MySQL. After that, go to your localhost by typing localhost 8080 in your URL panel of your browser. Now this index of refers to your htdocs folder of your exam server. In here, you have to save all your projects you make in PHP. I have made some projects, but right now I will go to my tutorials folder. I have made another folder inside my tutorials folder, and in there I have created only 2 files for now. So this is the output of my first PHP file, and this is the output of my second PHP file. Now let's see how we can print any string. Just type angular bracket followed by a question mark and then type echo. Type PHP and then echo. After that you can write any message you want. I will write my first PHP program. Now to see the output, I will go to localhost, then tutorials folder, and inside that my PHP folder exists, in which I have created my first .php file. Here you can see the details of the file, the name, the time which I have modified it. These are some minute details of your files. Now just click on the name and you can see here's the output. This is the string we have printed with our PHP code. Here you can see the URL of your file. The URL is something which tells you the location of your file wherever you have stored it on your system. Now I am going to print a value with a variable. So in PHP, dollar is used to declare any variable. Now let's print the value of this variable. Here one thing to notice is whatever we write in double quotes is treated as a string. But if we write $A in double quotes, it will print 100, not $A. Just to confirm, here you can see 100 is printed. This is because we have declared $A as a variable, so it will print 100, not $A. And even if I remove double quotes, the result will be the same. Now I want my first PHP program string in a different line, so I will use an HTML control in the PHP code. I will write a dot, then BR tag inside the double quotes. Here dot is used to concatenate two strings, and concatenating means to join two strings. Now we have added HTML control in our PHP code, and here you can see now if I write double quotes again, then the result will be the same. So I will remove double quotes from $A for now. Now I will show you another method to print any string. Just write print and write your message inside double quotes inside the parenthesis. Now let's make every string in a separate line. Here you can see hello is printed in a separate line. Now I will put a BR tag in front of this line also. You can also print any message like this. Just write print and put double quotes and put your message inside that double quotes. Don't forget to put a semicolon. So here the result is in front of your eyes. These were the 3 or 4 methods to print any string or any variable in PHP. Now I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit like button.